I'm actually so sorry for the wait. Okay, I think I can unmute now because the ringing is done. It's loading like this.
But they don't fucking listen otherwise.
So just watch the whole thing.
My suggestion is you can be bored.
Ready? So I don't know anything, and then people tell me to search it up. I'm like, oh, okay. So here you go. Here's the full thing. It will buffer because I've got bad signal. I'm sorry.
Okay. But those haters don't know what's coming.
Why is it buffering? Just wait for the buffer. Sorry, babe. Just watch the full thing.
Okay.
My moment of realization face. Can you see that face? Can you see that face? Look at that face. I'm like, really, can it? So then I search it up.
Don't be a bitch, no. Be a bitch. Okay? You want to see me melt down?
Why is it buffering? I'm so sorry about the buffering.
That won't happen anymore. You want to hear what I hear from you? I'll play it back right in your face. Okay?
Do I mention any seizures here? No. It's me saying, I want to play what you're doing to me. Obviously, I won't do that anymore, but I wasn't to know this did that. So I was saying...
You're a dangerous woman. I don't give a fuck. Don't be a bitch to me and I won't be a bitch to you.
See? No, look at that. This is raw footage. I hope you all know this, okay?
Okay.
Now I'm searching up, I think. Where is it?
Read about the chat being sound. Because I've had shit from loads of people in the past about people trying cancel me.
Oh my god, sorry, but this buffering is annoying, I'm sorry. We're putting this to bed now, that's all. I'm just showing you everything. The reason why I'm doing this...
I've had people call me names. I've had people call me boring. You want to come on my live stream, you want to cam to me, you want to record me.
Sorry about the buffering. So cam to me, record me. Do you hear that right there? Put yes in the chat if you just heard that. The reason why I played that sound was because
you can cam to me, babe, and I'll play that right in your ear. I'll do it again
See?
if you want.
No, we're not playing that again. Right, sorry guys. No, this has proved a lot of things already. It's proved that the reason why I did that sound in the first place was to annoy people who were cam-2ing me, to stop them cam-2ing me by playing myself back over and over. It wasn't an intention to cause harm to people. That's already proved that. So I've just proved you that. I've shown you raw footage of what I just said there. This was then. So put a green heart in the chat if you now understand a bit of the full context there.
Give over. I can't.
Right, when I say, oh, give over, I can't be asked. When people say, oh, it can cause seizures, I was like, no, it can't. Like, give up.
To see that.
Look, see?
No, it cannot.
No, it cannot. Right, we found the footage, right? See, look, I'm like, no, it can't. No, it can't. Then I search it up, and I'm like, oh, shit. So here's all the footage. Now I search it up. No, I didn't carry on. Do you notice? When I've been told, and I say give over, it can't, I didn't play it anyway. Look, I'm not playing the sound here, am I? Facts in the chat.
Cool. You're pretty as well.
Facts in the chat. I'm not playing the sound here. When people said that, I'm not playing it now.
No.
I'm not playing it. I'm not playing it. Look, I said, even though, because I just saw, that's when I noticed it. That's when I saw, oh, give over, it can't. That's when I noticed. I stopped playing that sound. Look, no ringing here, is there? Facts. Right, keep watching. More. I'm giving you all the truth, darling. Cold, blank truth. Now I'm looking it up. Can you see my face? I'm now searching up, can this cause seizures? So I'm looking it up. Watch my face. And watch how bad I feel after this. Watch. Here we go. Watch. I know my Wi-Fi is terrible. I am so sorry. I do apologise. Can you see that face? Did you see that, like... No, can you seriously see that? But can you see that?
I'm a very fun person. I am. Yes, Alfie, let's chill and talk. Exactly. You know, I'm a chill person. I'm just a bitch when people are bitches to me. And if people want to come to me and make money.
I'll turn the comments off if you want that. Because if you're going to say 10 minutes, I only noticed it there. Bitch, I have 1,000 plus people watching me there.
I will say trigger warning when I do that, because...
No, Elphaba, come on. Not 10 hours. We'll turn the comments off then. Do you want them off? Do you want put yes in the chat if you want them off, or do you want to have the freedom of speech to talk? I'll turn them off, darling. Put a green heart in the chat if you want the comments on. You're 20 for 10 minutes. I didn't see it, darling. Do you know how fast my chat is?
What's that? Myself.
Try and keep up with my chat. My chat is fast. I have people constantly commenting. My mods are blocking a lot of things out as well. So I was just, you know, on my own world. And then I actually took the time to search it up. I didn't play the sound anymore after that.
That's what people are doing to me. So, you know, I'll just give you what you give to me.
Now I'm just talking about comments now. People being rude in my comment section. That's me basically saying, you give what you give to me, etc, etc. I'm showing you all cold hard footage of everything, so you don't see anything clipped.
You're so gorgeous, thank you.
I'll sit here for hours. I'll play the whole thing.
Is it genetic epilepsy? Well, then I'm sorry to those people who do suffer from it.
I'm just showing you everything.
And I will always put a trigger on them. However, with these haters who want to come at me, call me names and wish I was dead, I will just...
Look at the whole thing. Look at the whole thing.
Play that sound.
But I didn't after.
Okay? I set boundaries. I'm a bitch. Don't remember. Understand that.
Keep looking at volume up. I just want to make sure. No, I think it's fine now. I think I can put the volume up. Here you are. I've given you the full volume now. Here's the full
I
volume.
won't have anyone telling me to die. Anyone saying this stuff to me. I'll play that sound.
Just keep looking. But I didn't play that sound. I'm just showing you everything raw. I'm showing everything raw. Everything raw, not edited. I'm showing you all.
And I'll play myself on repeat.
Keep watching. Just watch the whole thing. You proved us right. Just keep watching. You haven't watched the full thing. You need to watch the full thing. You've only seen a section. You need to watch everything.
Make your vows, darling. Chloe, thank you, gorgeous.
Keep watching the full thing. Watch the full thing. I'm going to show you it all.
Well, I'm sorry to those who do suffer from epilepsy, and I do care.
Keep watching, keep watching.
I just am defending myself from these haters who want to come at me and call me shit. That's all.
Keep watching the full thing. I'm showing you everything. You deserve to see the full replay.
However, these haters are trying to find everything they possibly can to try and stop that noise. you know. I wasn't to know, to be honest, I'm sorry.
Keep watching.
I googled it like 5 minutes ago, just like.
Keep watching. Notice how I haven't played that sound since though.
Sorry. Didn't know that.
There we go. Sorry, I didn't know that. This is what you're not shown. This is what you're not shown. This is what you're not shown. This is what you are not shown on the For You page, and I'm showing you all. I've shown you everything now.
Well, I'll educate myself on that in the situation. Sorry.
Keep watching, just keep watching. I'm giving you it all.
Guess you're gonna cancel me for that, aren't you? Guess I'm cancelled a million times again.
I'm pissed off, to be honest, here. Because I'm just, you know, mental health in it, but I'm just showing you it all.
How many cancels have I been through? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm just showing you it all, babe. I'm showing you everything. Can I be more Elphaba? No, everyone deserves their freedom of speech, you know, absolutely.
156.
It's just frustration. I'm done with being cancelled. Like here, you can see, I'm just frustrated because the reason why this comment section is not showing because it's a replay, obviously. But basically, people were just coming at me a lot for other things like my identity in there.
The 200 cancellations, maybe more than that, probably.
I wasn't thinking of the extent of what that sound could cause. I'll be honest with you. So when I found out the extent, I will never do that again. You have to keep watching the live because my opinion changes throughout.
No.
You have to keep watching.
1,000. Probably more than that.
This thing, it's all a mask. I mean it. It's defensive. I'm defensive at this point. This is my defensiveness.
1,000 million.
Just keep watching. I am sorry about the buffering. I can't help it. You have to just watch and watch and watch with the buffering. Everything.
You can call me a bad person if you think I'm a bad person, to be honest. I don't really care.
I do care.
I'm
just defensive here.
I'm nice to those who are nice. That's it. If you're a bitch to me, I'm a bitch back. That's how it is.
Keep watching. What am I doing there? Get better Wi-Fi. Sorry. I'm showing you everything.
Haters can back off. And that's what I say. But I will be honest, I didn't know that can cause seizures.
Here you are. You have to keep watching the context.
actually googled it just to show you, because when someone said it did, I was like, oh, does it? So I did. Google it. And this recent search, where is it?
Can you all see now? Can you all see now?
I googled it.
Notice I haven't played that sound since. Have you noticed that? You've looked at everything. No ringing sound. Nothing. Honestly, I'm very defensive here because people are sending me a lot of hate in this moment.
And seizures can be triggered by hearing certain sounds, so I didn't know that.
You have to watch everything. Honestly, everything. It's very easy to misunderstand or miscommunicate.
Music, machinery, church bells. So I didn't know that.
I'm pouting because I don't know why. I think it's just a mask. I'll be honest with you.
However, I'm doing what I can to get rid of those haters.
You have to keep watching. So I'm saying I'll do what I can to get rid of those haters, but then I say I'll never do it again.
Haters in my chat, okay? But I did Google it. I was like, oh, does it? So I didn't know. If I knew that, I probably would have done that. But I Googled it. Spelled it.
Probably wouldn't have done that. I wouldn't have done it. I wish I said I wouldn't have. In this moment, I'm very defensive, okay? I will never play that sound again, okay? I mean that.
I was like, oh, okay. Well, actually, I do thank you for letting.
Keep listening. But I can definitely see here I'm a bit of a bitch. I won't lie to you.
We know that because maybe I can advocate more for that in the future, because if I'm playing certain sounds or something.
Keep listening.
But however, if you
Yeah, I know it's taken ages. You have to watch the entire thing. You have to watch the
going to
entire...
cancel me for that, go for it, because I mean, I've been cancelled a million times before.
That's a fed up face, because it's just like... I'm fed up. You know. That's a fed up face.
Apologise. I am sorry. I didn't know. If I knew, I wouldn't have done it. I thought it was anybody that was seeing things, you know, was seeing things, so. Apologies. He's layering up to my shit.
No, I don't look sorry here, but I do. I am sorry.
But I'll call the truth out, didn't I? That can cause issues. So,
I'm just showing you everything, you know. What I'm seeing here from my own self-reflection, I'm seeing a lot of defensiveness here because everyone's bullying me. So the apology doesn't look sincere. I do agree with you. But it is sincere. And from what I'm saying out, it is sincere, but it's not appearing as. Do you know what I mean? Does anyone get where I'm coming from with that? It's when you try and like, it's hard because when I say things, it can appear bitchy or it can appear insincere, but I'm actually really honestly true, genuine there. Like, this is genuine apology, but it can appear like a really insincere apology. So I will absolutely apologise again if you want me to, but
what can you fucking do when someone tells you to? Yourself,
this is just me rambling on now. People are just telling me to myself and things like that. But I just showed you everything, okay? So you saw everything. In the case of this, I think what we can take home from this is I was a bit of a bitch here. I was definitely a bit of a bitch. I can see myself there, and I want to give myself a slap in the face, to be honest. However, no, why am I saying however? No, I do want to give myself a slap in the face there. Only because from the playback, it doesn't seem like sincere, and I get that. I actually really do get that now, because I look back on myself and I'm like, it doesn't appear sincere, which is totally fair, and I totally actually understand that. But I just want to say I am very sorry, and I will not be doing something like that ever again in my live stream. I promise you that. And if there's anything I can possibly do, and I really truly mean this, if there's anything I can possibly do, I will 100% do what I can to help. And I am sorry, and I will never do something like that again. I didn't understand the extent of what it could cause, that sound could do, and I'm very sorry about that, and I will never do something like that again in my life. I promise you that, because I want to make sure everyone's okay and safe in my live streams, and I don't want to cause any upset to people and cause real life upset. I don't want to do that. That's not my nature. So I really am sorry about that, and I just want you to know that I truly care about all of you, and I want you to know that I will never play that sound again. I promise you on my life. I promise on my life, and I'll hold my heart this time. I really will. I will never do something like that ever again, because now that I know it can cause seizures, I won't ever do something like that again. In my defense, at the time, I wasn't to know, and then I googled it and I found out, and noticed since then I have not played that sound, so I won't be doing something like that again. I don't ask for people's forgiveness, because, you know, not everyone's going to forgive this, and the playback may not seem sincere, but this is coming from my heart, and this is coming from a true place in my heart, because I really don't want people to suffer from this. I want you to understand that I'm being very sincere, and I'm being very honest, and now that I know, I've been more educated, I won't do something like that. So I'm very sorry about that. I'm very sorry. And I hope that does appear sincere to you, because that apology last night didn't really appear sincere to me either. It was sincere, but how I approached it, it didn't seem sincere, which is weird. So it's hard. I need to kind of work out how I talk, because it's kind of a situation where it's like, how do I know how to make myself appear sincere, you know? Thank you, Lottie, you know, I really mean that. You know, not everyone's going to forgive this, that's totally fine, but I'm really grateful, and I really want to advocate for everyone here, to be honest, because I know what it's like to be bullied, and I want to make sure this is a safe space for people. I don't want to be causing any upset to people, because it's a safe space for me, it's a safe space for you, it's our little safe space for people, you know, so I just want people to feel safe, you know. No, I struggle, last night, I definitely appeared insincere, but in my heart and my talking from last night, it was sincere, but my body language didn't appear sincere, which I don't know why it did that. So I'm thinking in my head, could it be defensiveness? Do you know what I mean? Mods keep deleting comments who aren't even hateful. were they deleting comments last night as well? Because I when I noticed, that's when I searched up the thing. I'm not putting blame on other people. I'm being really serious, to be honest. Because that's when I found out. I was like, oh, okay. Yes. Okay, well, I'll keep an eye on my moderation team. I'll also do that as well. Is that okay? I'll keep better eye look on my moderation team. Do you forgive me? I've now been informed by a lot of people that they can cause seizures. I will never do something like that again on my life. I truly mean that. I really do. I truly mean that on my life. I'm sorry. And I really would love to ask for your forgiveness. It's not expected. I'll be so grateful for your forgiveness because I won't do something like that again. I didn't know. Oh, thank you, Beth. Right. To lighten things up, shall we do something fun? I know it's such a weird change of subject, but do you want to move on now? A try-on haul. I think that might be quite fun for everyone. Because my phone's charged a bit more now, I can try on some dresses for you. Would you like that? You're all so nice now. Oh, I love you. I'm sorry though. I don't want to cause any upset to people. You guys are so lovely now. I should apologise to you more. I seriously should. I'm sorry. I'm just so defensive sometimes, and I'm always got my guard up. I'm always up here because I always have to be so defensive. I just want you to know that I really just want to be loved. That's it. I just want to be loved and supported. That's all I ask. Because love and support, it makes you feel safe. So that's why. Okay, let's put on some clothes. Let's stop with the tears because I'm gonna have a bit of a wine later. I might get a bit fucking drunk tonight. Do you know what I mean? I might fucking need it, to be honest. I got wine over there. Praying for your character development. No, honestly, same, because I looked at myself last night and I get you now. I really do seriously get that. Like, I need to self-reflect more because I did appear like a bitch. I'm sorry. Like, why would I want to slap old me like that. Like, seriously, like, in the face. Because, Jesus Christ, like, I'm fucking annoyed at her for doing something like that. Oh. Yes, let's do a haul. Okay. Right. Okay. If I'm forgiven, can you put forgiven in the chat? I just want to know how many people have forgiven me because it would be nice to know if people have listened to that. Thank you, Tia. Oh, seriously? No, honestly, thank you. If you haven't forgiven me, that's totally fine. I understand that. You know, it's not expected. I'm very grateful for forgiveness because that does take a lot of. Well, it takes a lot to do that for me. So, like, it takes a lot for you to do that for me. So, thank you. Forgiven, thank you. Right. Wow, the chat's really, really kind. Thank you. Okay. Well, do you want a goodie bag? I'll give you some coins I know it's a bit weird, but I just want to give you some coins. I just want to give something back to you, so I'm going to give you some coins. Let's give a big whopping amount of coins to people, shall we? Let's give 500 coins to people. Just keep it for yourself if it helps. It's £1 each, so I'll give 5 winners. I know it's nothing, but it's £1 for yourself. Get a cheeky Haribo packet of sweets or something like that. How to withdraw the coins, all you have to do is go live on another account for yourself, send it to yourself, and you get it. So there you go. Little hack for you if you want to withdraw it into money. Right, put a green heart in the chat if you want this. 500 coins. So that's a Haribo for you. Here you are. Enjoy. There you go, beautiful. Green hearts. All of the hearts. You guys are the sweetest. Just, honestly, enjoy it. Don't send it to me. Keep it for yourself. It's for you. I've only 5 winners, okay? So 5 winners. So 100 coins each for yourselves. Oh my god, what the fuck? There's so much support. I've not seen this in a good while. What the actual hell? Right, guys, can I just record this if that's okay? God, you're making me feel so loved. I love you. Oh, stop. You're the best. I'm actually excited now. Like, you make me so happy. Guys, what the hell? There's so much love for me. Say hi, guys, to Instagram stories. Yesterday, like... I can't believe it. Try on haul, queen. Yes, we got the coins. Oh, yes, well done. You guys are the best. Hi, Instagram. I love you. There is so many. What the actual hell? This is my comment section. You're the best. I want to put you on my vlogs as well. Hi, TikTok vlog. A few 100,000 people might see this, guys. So if you want to be seen in the comments, hi. I want to see you in the comments. Hi, TikTok vlog. How are you doing? Basically, I'm going to get really hammered tonight. So come with me as we get drunk. Also, no guys, also the vlog, I've also got some really fun dresses to try on. Like that. So... really exciting stuff. Let's do it. Okay, you guys were incredible. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys are so cool. Look how quick that chat is. You're gonna be in my vlog, so yes. Try on, yes, I can try on some dresses. Right. What dress should we try on? I've got this one. This is a cute dress. I think it's so adorable. It was only 18 quid though. I was like, fucking hell, it's so good. Look. Oh, sorry. Look. Guys, give me a follow on TikTok if you like the vibes. Like, if you like me, give me a follow. I'm almost at 510,000 followers, so love you. Right. Look. Look at this. How cute is this? How cute is this? How cute is this? Purple hearts in the chat for absolute, darling. I'm 100%. Yes, absolutely. I'll do one for you as well. Because I absolutely care. Let me absolutely see. Hold on, how do I put that into comments, darling? We welcome everyone here. Everyone here is accepted, loved, and honestly, I mean that. There you go. Here you are. I truly mean it, okay? I really do. See? Anyway. Do you see this? Are we excited to try this on? Are we excited to try it on? Do you know what? I like this. It's very cute. I've never had a dress like this before, so this is quite exciting. I'm kind of nervous because I've got like scars on my back. I've got like certain scars on my body, which we won't go into, but yeah, I don't really wear dresses like this, so I want to give it a shot. So let's give it a shot. Where is it? There we go. Let's go. Are you excited? It smells lovely. This is adorable. Look at that. Look how cute this is. Oh, it's got patterns on it as well. Right, I'm going to put it on. I'm putting it on. Wait, do I put on a bra? No. Well, let's just try this on its own. Bear with, okay? Bear with. I'm actually excited to wear this. Right, I'm going to put it on. I'm over here. Right, turn this on. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this one. Okay, right, so. This dress is so adorable, what the fuck? This dress is so cute. What the actual hell? I really hope it fits me. I really, really hope it fits me. Oh my gosh. Oh, it fits me! It fits me! Oh my gosh. Stop, this is actually so stunning. Okay. Stop. I've almost got it on. What the hell? This is such a cute dress. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Wait. Okay. I need to just push this down. Just up here. And here. And here. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. No, stop. Stop, this is adorable. No, stop. Okay, wait, guys. Put yes in the chat if you're ready. Put yes in the chat if you're ready. I've got it on. Yes in the chat if you're ready. Okay, right. This is the dress. Are we ready? Put green hearts in the chat. Purple hearts as well. Alright, ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. This is so cute. It fits me. Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. I love it. And it's got this cute thing as well. Is it cute? I kind of love it. It really fits. I love it. I'm actually so happy with it. It goes right down. I'd wear this one right out. Like, this is so cute. Like, I love this. Like, here. It's so cute. What do we feel? I like this dress. I really think it's so cute. It's cozy as well. It's not like horrible, it's really cozy. It's cozy. Ding dong. No, okay. Need a bigger size. No, it's fine as it is. It fits me just fine. Anyway. Comb my hair because it's got a little mess. I might keep this on actually. I really actually think it's so nice. Well, I'm planning to get drunk anyway, so. How's the hair? Alright, is the hair better now? No, I think the hair's really just improved the dress. Like, the hair's really improved the dress.